Good morning to all. Respected Principal, Honorable Chief Guest, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to wish you 76th Happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rule. We must celebrate this day with great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and others. A peaceful life we live in today is only because of their sacrifices. Let us all work together to show our country is the best in the world. I would like to say that we should be proud to be Indians. So let's celebrate Independence Day today with joy and spirit. Jai Hind and thank you.